our next topic is how to find the distance between 2 points. This is very important concept. If you observe, you see here 30 and minus 30. These 2 points are on the x-axis. What is the distance between these 2 points, 30 and minus 30? If you calculate this, what is the distance here? 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the distance between these 2 points is 6 units. Without counting this, how to find the distance between 2 points on the x-axis? Is there any formula? Yes, we have one formula. What is that? Now consider 30 as x10 and minus 30 x20. Formula is x1 minus x2 modulus of x1 minus x2. What is the meaning of modulus of x1 minus x2? What is the symbol? Modulus means the distance is always positive. Sometimes in this answer we are getting negative answer, but we should not write the negative answer. Distance is always positive. That's why the symbolically it is always positive. How to write this symbolically means that is modulus of x1 minus x2. This is the distance between 2 points on the x-axis. Now here this is x1 means 3, x2 means minus of minus 3, that is 3 plus 3, we are getting 6 units. So this symbol is, we should write always positive answer. Remember this. Distance is always positive. Don't write any negative number. Like this, here if you observe these 2 points 0, 5 and here this is 0, minus 3. How to find the distance between these 2 points which are on the y-axis? This formula is modulus of again y1 minus y2. That is y1 means you should take 5 minus of minus 3 modulus of, now 5 plus 3, this is 8 units, this is 6 units, it is 8 units. Now the formula is the points which are on the x-axis, the 2 points are on the x-axis, the formula is modulus of x1 minus x2. If the 2 points are on the y-axis, the formula is modulus of y1 minus y2. So we remember the important point is distance is always positive number. Now our next topic is how to find the distance between two different points ax1, bx2, y2. Here suppose ax1, y1, bx2, y2. How to find the distance between a and b? Now what is the formula? How to derive the formula to find the distance between two different points or two given points? Now you draw this A, L and VM, these both are perpendiculars to x-axis. This is the construction part. AL and BM are two perpendicular lines to x-axis. Next, you draw one more line. See, this is one more perpendicular line. AC. AC is perpendicular to BM. AL is perpendicular to x-axis. BM is perpendicular to x-axis. Now, we formed ABC is a right angle triangle. AB is a side of right angle triangle. How to find the length of AB now? Here, you see x1, y1, x2, y2. Here, this is O, it is M. What is the distance between O and M? It is x2. And distance between BM is, this is total distance is y2. Next, what is the distance between OL? What is the distance between OL? This is x1. Now I will write OM is equal to x2 and OL is equal to x1. What about LM? LM is equal to x2 minus x1. So we got this distance LM, x2 minus x1. Here these two are equal lines. Now this is also considered as x2 minus x1. Like this, here what about the length CM? Here if you observe this, BM is equal to BM, the length of BM is equal to, what is the distance? y2. And what about the distance between, this is CM. CM is y1. Here this is distance, always you put like this. CM is equal to y1. What about BC now? BC is equal to, the length of BC is equal to BM minus CM. That means y2 minus y1. So the length of BC is y2 minus y1. Now we got the length of AC and the length of BC in the right angle triangle. Now what about AB? According to the Pythagoras Theorem. What is the Pythagoras Theorem? The square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. So AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. This is the Pythagoras Theorem. According to the Pythagoras Theorem, AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. We got AC. What is the length of AC? x2 minus x1 whole square plus BC square means y2 minus y1 whole square. Now AB is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So the distance between 2 points A x1 y1, B x2 y2, the distance is AB is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Like this, we can derive the formula like this. Once again, I will explain. First, AB side, we have to make with AB right angle triangle, and find the length of AC and BC. After that, by using the Pythagoras Theorem, AB is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the distance between 2 points. This is the third case. So, totally 3 cases we observed. When the 2 points are on the x-axis, the formula is modulus of x2 minus x1. If the 2 points are on the y-axis, the formula is modulus of y2 minus y1. One more, third case is the distance between two different points, ax1 y1, bx2 y2 is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So these are the important topics. By using these formulas, how to solve the problems.